Hello, English learners. Welcome to another lesson on Everyday English. This is Comprehensible Input. What is Comprehensible Input? It is a great way to learn a new language. You look at words and you listen to them. You understand everything. You learn English naturally, without a lot of effort. Today, we will talk about clothes. We will learn the names of many things we wear. Please look and listen very carefully. Let's start our new lesson. A t-shirt is a piece of clothing. A t-shirt is for your body. A t-shirt is for warm weather. Pants are a piece of clothing. Pants are for your legs. My pants are blue. A shirt is a piece of clothing. A shirt has buttons. My shirt is white. A dress is a piece of clothing for a woman or a girl. A dress is one piece. A skirt is a piece of clothing. A skirt is for the bottom of the body. When the weather is cold, we wear different clothes. A jacket is a piece of clothing for cold weather. I wear a jacket outside. A coat is a very warm piece of clothing. It is for very cold weather. A sweater is a piece of clothing. A sweater is warm. I wear a sweater on my body. Gloves are for my hands. I wear gloves to keep my hands warm. A hat is for my head. A hat keeps my head warm. We wear clothes on our body, but we wear other things too. Socks are a piece of clothing. Socks are for my feet. I wear socks inside my shoes. Shoes are for my feet. My shoes are black. I walk with my shoes. Sandals are for my feet. Sandals are for warm weather. Boots are for my feet. Boots are for cold weather. My jacket is red. My pants are long. My t-shirt is blue. My skirt is short. My sweater is gray. My shoes are old. My hat is new. My gloves are soft. My socks are white. We wear different clothes for different weather. We wear different clothes on different parts of our body. Thank you for learning about clothes with me. That was a great lesson about clothes. We hope you enjoyed and learned many new words. Remember, listening to English is a fantastic way to improve your English. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our lessons. If you liked this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to Everyday English for more great lessons and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for learning with us, and we will see you in the next video.